In this video, I'll show you how to create a customer group in Square. First, sign into your Square dashboard and open Customers. This is where you can manage your customer directory and organize customers into groups. Next, look for Groups or the option to create a customer group. Select Create Group and enter a name that clearly describes the customers you want to organize, such as VIP customers, frequent buyers, or new customers. After that, choose the conditions for the group if Square gives you filtering options. You can use available customer information, such as purchase activity or customer details, to define which customers should be included. Now, review the customers that match your criteria and make sure the group contains the right people. Adjust the filters if necessary, then save the group. Finally, return to your Customers section whenever you need to manage the group. You can use customer groups to organize your customer list and make it easier to manage targeted customer communications and marketing activities. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a customer group in Square. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.